On the occasion of the 78th Independence Day, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh reaffirmed his government's dedication to restoring peace in the state, stating the importance of unity among its 34 recognized tribes. Speaking at the first Manipur Rifles ground, N. Biren Singh attributed the state's ongoing unrest to external elements intent on destabilizing it. This Manipur belongs to all 34 recognized tribes, including the Thado, Mar, Simte, Meitei, Tangkhul, Mao, Maram, Anal, and Lamka. It is not the domain of a single community, Singh said. He urged all tribes to come together for a united and strong India, dismissing any attempts to divide the state. Speaking on the May 3, 2023 violence, N. Biren Singh noted that the state's progress has been significantly hampered by the conflict. However, he expressed confidence in the state's recovery, stating, had it not been for the violence, the progress and development Manipur would have been achieved now would be unimaginable. We are committed to making up for lost time, and Biren Singh condemned the involvement of external groups in the violence and reassured the public of the government's effort to address the crisis. We found outsiders had infiltrated with the aim of breaking the state. It is chilling to think of what could have happened had we not acted, he said. To address the crisis, Biren Singh called for political and personal differences to be set aside. Peace is achievable through unity and honesty. There should be no room for conspiracy or instigations, he asserted. He highlighted the government's support for those affected, including the provision of daily essentials, health services, and education to relief camps. Efforts are also underway to relocate internally displaced persons (IDPs) to prefabricated houses and to implement economic livelihood schemes. N. Biren Singh also mentioned central government projects aimed at enhancing infrastructure such as the 51.23 km ring road in Imphal and the 111 km Imphal-Jiribam railway project. Additionally, the government is involved in rebuilding homes damaged by the recent floods and hailstorms.